In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view all epics in Jira. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now, whether you're a seasoned user or just getting started with Jira, understanding how to effectively navigate the platform is crucial, especially when it comes to managing your projects. One significant component of project management in Jira is the concept of epics. Epics help you break down larger tasks into manageable sections, providing clarity and focus for your team. So let's dive right into how to view all epics in Jira without any delay. First things first, you need to log in to your Jira account. I recommend using the link that corresponds to your specific Jira setup. When you access the login page, simply enter your credentials and gain access to your work dashboard. This step is foundational, because without logging in, you won't be able to see any of your projects or epics. Once you're logged in, the next step is to navigate to the project board where you wish to view your epics. Finding the right board is important. It acts like a central hub where all of your project activities come to life. Look for the boards in your Jira navigation menu. They are typically organized by projects, so it shouldn't take you long to find the one you are interested in. Once you're on the right board, the next thing to do is click on the backlog section. The backlog is where all your ongoing tasks, including epics and stories, are housed. When you click on backlog, you should see an organized list of tasks that your team needs to tackle, along with any epics currently linked to them. Now, to see the epic panel, you need to adjust a couple of view settings. On the backlog page, there is a settings button. This is the next step in our process. Clicking on this button will allow you to customize what you see on your board. This is a great way to personalize your view to fit your needs and preferences. After you click the View Settings button, make sure to enable the Epic panel. This panel is super helpful as it allows you to see all your defined epics at a glance. It can be quite empowering to have a visual representation of your epics while working in the backlog. Now, once the Epic panel is displayed, it's time to see your epics in action. The Epic panel will provide you with a clear view of all the epics you have created for the project. You can easily see their statuses, which tasks are associated with each epic, and how everything ties into your overarching goals for the project. If you look closely, you'll notice that each epic might display different details, such as their progress, the number of tasks linked to each, and any other pertinent information. This is incredibly useful for keeping track of large tasks that require multiple steps or collaboration from different team members. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated through Jira to view all your epics. Remember, being familiar with these features not only makes project management easier but also enhances communication and collaboration within your team. With these tools at your disposal, you can ensure that nothing falls through the cracks and that every aspect of your project is easily accessible and manageable. As we wrap up, I hope you found this guide easy to follow. Managing projects doesn't have to be overwhelming, especially when you're equipped with the right knowledge about tools like Jira. If you have any questions or need further clarification on this process, don't hesitate to ask in the comments below. And remember, if you found this information helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and happy project managing!